Hey everybody and welcome back. If your Facebook page is not showing up in search and you are wondering how to fix that issue, you may follow up these steps for that. Open up Facebook application for that, and once you open up Facebook, what you may do is go over and look out for the menu at the top and select it. And after you select it, look out for the settings option within your Facebook page. So first of all, switch to your Facebook page, and once you switch over to Facebook page, within Facebook page, go to their settings. So look out for the menu at the top and select it, and go over and tap on settings. And within settings, what you need to do is go ahead and look out for the page visibility section. So you can scroll down and find the option for page visibility. So go ahead and tap on this option of how people can find and contact you or something similar. And um, make sure all of these options are turned on, so allowing search engines outside Facebook to link your page, ensure this is turned on. Allowing your page to be recommended to people, ensure this one is also turned on. And allowing people to message your page, make sure this one is also turned on. And save changes once you update it. Apart from that, Facebook sometimes restricts the search visibility for pages without incomplete information. So within the page, ensure that you have completed all the details. You can tap on verify your page or the page detail section and just go and provide in all the necessary informations that are necessary for the page to run completely. And also ensure that your page has a name. So tap on your page, and if it does not have a name, you can tap on the three dot and select it, and just go over and tap on edit and provide in your page a name, and just go ahead and do so, because pages without a username might not appear easily in search. And that's it. And also ensure that you're actively posting on your page. That should make your page more enriched and appear in search results more, so you can follow up those steps and fix that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.